AIDS in general is sort of moved from an epidemic to a chronic disease. However, in the Tenderloin, it's still epidemic. The Tenderloin has the largest concentration of poor individuals in the city. Probably the largest number of new infections are actually coming from this part of the city. It's definitely the new epicenter. There has been a shift in the epidemic from sort of middle-class gay men to the more poor, and the area also has a lot of sex workers and a lot of intravenous drug users. One of the agencies that combined to make Tenderloin Health, Continuum Day Services, was probably the first agency in the U.S. to address that shift. And they started here in the Tenderloin, I think, in 1991. There's an aversion to talking about it, which means there's an aversion to getting the education that you need to stop the spread. Things like, just the whole sense that, black people don't get AIDS, and Latinos are too macho to talk about it, that kind of thing. And so it's really important to have very culturally based care. And there's money, from the city and from the federal government and stuff sort of being focused on those populations. And a lot of these people do not have, this is sort of their last bastion of potential services, because many of them don't have health care. And many other agencies that are designed to help them will not help them because of their drug abuse, or because they don't have a residence, or because their sexual preferences.